Hi, I'm Scott Noonan, the CEO of Audio Advice. This is our outdoor living video that's part of our Smart Home series. What I just want to do is walk you around and show you the various things you can do when you're thinking about really enhancing your outdoor living. So I'm going to start with the most common thing, which is music outdoors. So if you look on this incredible porch on this home, you'll see that we have 4 outdoor speakers. When you have a really big porch like this, we generally won't do just 2, we'll do 4. There's several ways to do this. One is to do in-ceiling speakers like you see here. These are designed to be outdoors. We've got them perfectly lined up with the lights so they look beautiful outdoors. Because we've got 4 of them, it allows you to be sitting in one part of the porch and someone else sitting in the other part, and it's not too loud in either location. It just emanates all across. The other way is we can do box speakers on the back of the house, and we can even do really thin ones that look really, really cool that we show in some of our showrooms as well. Now, moving on from audio itself, the other thing that almost everyone wants to do these days is outdoor televisions. And they will often ask us, can I just put a regular television out there because the outdoor TVs are a little more expensive? And the answer is yes. You can take a regular television, stick it outside, and it may last. But what happens is if it gets too hot or it gets moisture in it, which generally is the problem in the outdoors, it will degrade the television and eventually break the TV. So for most people in luxury homes, they just go ahead and get a television that's designed for the outdoors. And there's a Samsung Terrace. There's other ones. If you look at audioadvice.com, you'll see the options we've got for outdoor, or come to any of our showrooms, you'll see them as well. The other advantage outdoor TVs have is they are much, much brighter and they're anti-glare. So they really perform much better in an outdoor environment like this. The other thing we like to tie into control systems and smart home systems is you'll see we have electronic shades here and screens that will drop on the porch. So you can literally bring it down in the summer, keep all of the bugs out, make it totally clear in here. And then you'll see also things like heaters that can go in on porches, and then a little attention to detail. In this particular porch, we did really good DMF lighting, and you'll see that we actually lined up and aimed some of the lights on the columns to just create a really, really cool look. And then oftentimes people want to be able to access their Wi-Fi network everywhere outside on the property. So we will wire a access point, and it's key that it's wired and it's not just one of these mesh things that you might go buy online. By wiring it, we can get really good coverage with everything else, and it doesn't lose or degrade the signal as it jumps. Now, let's get to more advanced outdoor. If you want music outdoor that's more than just in the ceiling, oftentimes people will look at doing planar speakers or rock speakers, which have been pretty cool. But now the hot thing that everyone is looking at doing is adding landscape speakers. So if you just look here at this hot tub, you'll see that we have hidden landscape, what look like lights, but in fact they're speakers, and we've got them pointed right at the hot tub. Why? Because technically the hot tub, when the jets are on, it gets louder than other parts of an outdoor area. So we want to have dedicated speakers here. Well, we also have the same thing. If you look down this side of the pool, you'll see we've got 2 of these landscape speakers here. We've got landscape speakers that are covering the fire pit and landscape on the other side of the pool. So the goal is, by distributing all those speakers, we can actually play the music and it's not loud in one area and soft in another. So now let's go take a quick look over here. Obviously, this is a really, really cool outdoor area. Not only is there the pool and the hot tub, but my wife and I would love this because we play pickleball, but a pickleball court in the back of this home. Well, if you're playing pickleball, you're going to hear the bing, bing when it hits the paddle and hits the ground. So we have a separate zone out here with its own subwoofer and own outdoor satellites that allows the music to play at whatever volume you want here and a different volume there. And then you'll see all of these things are matched with the outdoor lighting that you see in the pool, where you've got blue in the pool and all the outdoor lighting this thing up perfectly. And in fact, really cool stuff to do is when you put cameras on the back and you've got the ability to see the kids playing, which you can do here as well. So those are like just a little thumbnail, the types of things you can do in outdoor living. If you're near one of the Audio Advice showrooms around the country and you go in, you will see the most amazing experiences for outdoor living. They have speakers, televisions, everything you can see. Or if you want to learn more, check out the smart home section of our website, where we've got everything about smart homes, outdoor living, music, televisions, you name it, it's there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.